Alright, so I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all see them water spots? And I washed the car so many times. Alright, y'all. Here we go. So what's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Martin. I'm back with another daggone video. Alright, so today what been happening is I got a car washed the other day. Why is it like my front camera is different? Wouldn't be a Grizzly Marty video if I didn't do a cold start. So let's go ahead and get this cold start. $300 gang, like, comment, and subscribe. Grizzly Gang! So what it is, y'all, I've been seeing a lot of water spots and everything on the car. So I figured out a way, and I know the real way to help clean it off. Yeah, the water spots. Of course, you know I got my sidekick, Aria. Say what's up.
What's up?
Say what's up, Grizzly Gang.
What's up, gang?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm about to take these water spots off because I'm about to get my car detailed and figure this joint out because I need my car to look pretty much like flawless almost. Of course, everything not gonna be like that, but I kind of need it to be a little bit like that. So we're gonna figure it out. Yeah, y'all come with me. About to go to Home Depot and get it. You ready to go?
I want now.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm getting it. Yeah, the camera. She pressed over the camera, y'all. She kind of like me. I love being in front of the camera. Take some use to get it. Why you change? Why is it this way?
Mine.
It's not yours. See what I gotta do with y'all? What's that? All right, y'all. So what pick it up. You got it. All right. So what we here? We made it to Home Depot, y'all. Like y'all saw. How y'all like that? That covered it. I'm trying something new, you know. All right. So what are you supposed to get? I think it's $4.97 right now. Yeah. So we need the 00 grade, and I see this on another YouTube. So I'm gonna yeah. So what we need is this, so we can clean off the windows. And of course we're gonna need soap and water and this to clean it up. It's very easy, but I feel like this is gonna be the easiest one because my other ones did not work. All right, hold on. Use my left hand. Yeah, my other ones did not work, so we're gonna definitely use this one, okay? And then yeah, this is the one you want to use. So make sure it has the 000.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Alright, so we got it. So let's go. Clip or something where y'all see the this ain't not loud at all, but we're gonna make it loud soon. Oh dang, I can't turn that way. That's okay. It's not loud at all, but we're gonna make it loud. It only let me get up to like 4,000 RPMs or whatever it is. I think that's how you're supposed to say it. Get a little growl. I know this car will have like some good turbo noise, but it won't have like a crazy exhaust. I think the loudest exhaust that I'm gonna get for this thing, and I'm not going to be doing like the cuts and stuff like that. I'm gonna just get like I'm gonna get a real exhaust. I'm gonna have the exhaust, it's probably gonna be the BOSLLA or the there's another one, I can't think of the name right now, but the BOSLLA S, whatever that one is, that one looking like the best right now. Yeah, these are orange. So I'm looking at that BOSLLA one to make this a little bit more louder. Give you a nice little pull. This ain't fast, man. So I'm about to go to Buffalo Wild Wings, grab some food real quick, and then I'm gonna head and do this. All right, so I went ahead and just prepped it with like the tape. This is the parts I don't want to hit, like my paint. I know I'm not going to hit it like if I get on this side, but make sure you wear gloves. And then you can see the little the white marks. You can really see it on this window. I'm gonna start off with the small window first and then work my way up to the front. All right, so I'm gonna just take y'all on the process of everything. Hopefully y'all can see it. So of course what you want to do, you want to wet it. So I don't care if I make a mess, 'cause I'm gonna take my car to the washer. Get that stool. So okay. So let me see. It did okay. I felt like I put like a lot of scratches. Man, I don't think it put no scratches. I think I just gotta clean it with some glass and with the polish. Then like fill it in. So I'm about to try it now and see how it looks. See if it takes off. So Grizzly Gang, I'm gonna tell you my fails and my accomplishments and stuff like that. I think I failed on this one. I really tried to really get this on, like get the water spots away, but it's not really not doing the job. I tried everything. I've been out here for about an hour. I went inside, took a break, and it's still, I didn't even try this window because I've been trying so hard to like really get it off on this one and get it off, but it's like still on there. I think I'm gonna have to get it professionally detailed. If anybody's ever going through this water spots thing, comment down below. Let me know. If you're in the DMV area and know how to get this off, comment down below. Come over here, man. I'll pay you to get this crap off my window. If I gotta get it detailed, just let me know too, because I'm just trying to figure it out. I just want to just get it done, because if I get it detailed and they can't get it off, I'm gonna be pissed, you know. So comment down below, let me know. I'm gonna keep saying it again, but don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Martin channel. I'm done with this video, y'all. It's been a long time coming. Man, I'm loving this ST, man. I got another video coming up with what I like, pretty much like the 5 or 10 things what I really like about this joint. Man, this vehicle is so fun. Took the joint out to Baltimore, we was gone. This joint can get up to like 400 or something to the tank if like you doing like 80 and just cruising pretty much on cruise control. But that's what I like. That's really what I like. I like performance, and I like that it's pretty good on gas, you know. When you got a family, you spending all the money on that, you want at least your car to be, you know, a little bit reliable or have a little bit of efficiency in gas, you know. So that's something that I really like. So I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Martin channel. I'll see you on the next one. I'm probably gonna be posting this joint out on Tuesday, so I'll see y'all on Tuesday. And then of course Thursday is gonna be a holiday. It's gonna be the 4th, and I'll probably post another one. Will probably be Friday. But I feel like the Friday videos ain't gonna be good, so I'm gonna do it on Thursday. It's gonna be the next week. All right, peace, y'all.